Imagine you're in a car, driving down the highway. You look down and you're out of gas. Again. When you pull into the pump, you look up and you wince as you see the gas prices have gone up. Again. When you get out of your car and go to the pump, you see there's 3 types of gas. And you choose regular, because it's cheapest. And with gas in the economy, you want to save money every turn you can. But is regular gas really what you should be putting in your car? Is it actually cheaper in the long run? I wanted to find out, because I'm going to be buying a car soon. And the one I want recommends premium. My first thought was, ouch, do I really want to buy that car? But my second was a question. Is premium the way to go? Or is it just an expensive option? I wanted to find out. So I dug a little deeper. It turns out premium can give you better and cheaper in the long run, depending on you and your driving style. But that all depends on you, your driving style, and your car. The information I dug up makes you wonder, are people really using the type of gas that's best for their engine? Let's break this down by answering 3 main questions. How can premium be better for your car? Why could using regular be worse for your car? How can you figure out if premium will help you save money? Now moving from the questions to the answers. According to MIT engineer Peter Dunn, all gasoline grades contain the same amount of chemical energy, meaning that you're not going to get much more power out of premium. So, what is the difference? Well, there are 2 main differences between premium and regular. The first is the octane number. This is basically the amount of pressure the gas can take before it explodes prematurely, hurting your engine. Premium can take more pressure, so when you accelerate faster, it doesn't use as much gas. So it can be better for people with lead feet. The second main difference is the amount of additives or detergents. This is how much it cleans your engine. Regular usually has the minimum amount of detergents that the government requires, but premium has more, depending on the station you get it from. For instance, the gas company Shell states, our V-Power gas has 5 times the amount of cleaning agents required by federal standards. So, premium will clean your engine and help your engine stay clean of gunk. This gunk can be a very bad problem for your engine. It'll stick to your fuel injectors and your engine, and it will hurt your engine in the long run, costing you some big dollars. Shell.us says, gunk acts like a sponge, absorbing and trapping gasoline, making the burning less efficient. And this kind of burns up your fuel economy. If you let it build up, it will slowly affect your miles per gallon. And this in turn will affect how much money you get for your gas. This money issue can be a very, very big problem, especially with gas prices going up. And with premium even higher than gas prices, is it worth getting premium? In fact, premium could even be cheaper for your car. James Fabin, a writer for Auto Bytel, states, for those with cars that require or recommend premium gas, you'll be doing yourself a disservice by using regular. You need to use premium to achieve the rated power and the maximum miles per gallon, even for vehicles that don't require a premium. I did a test on my family's Honda Odyssey and found out we got 2 more miles per gallon. Now, this probably doesn't really sound like much, but it is just past the break-even point, because premium is usually about 20 to 30 cents more expensive than regular. So, with a 15-gallon tank, you pay about $3 more for the tank. So, if you get 2 miles per gallon with a 15-gallon tank, that's about 30 extra miles for about that $3. Though premium gas is recommended for many models, most will run perfectly fine on regular gas. Sharon Silky Carty says in an article written for USA Today, this kind of shows it. Savings isn't going to happen for every car. So, how can we know if we'll get those miles? And is premium still worth it if we don't get those miles? Well, remember, premium still will clean your engine, saving you from an engine repair in the long run. The detergents will keep on cleaning it, constantly. And if your engine is running smoothly and clean, you will let out less exhaust. Now, remember, this is only for $3 more compared to a couple thousand for an engine fix in the long run. So, by now you're probably thinking, how do I know if my car will get more out of premium? Well, there is a very, very simple way on how to calculate what your miles per gallon are. First, next time you go to the pump, fill all the way up with regular and reset the trip marker on your car. Drive around like you normally would until empty. Then, fill all the way up with premium and record your miles and the amount of gallons you put in, because this will be the amount you used. Now, divide the miles per gallon by the amount of miles you drove, and you will have your miles per gallon for regular. Reset your trip marker, drive around like you normally would until you're empty. Now, you fill up with either type of gas. Record how many gallons you used and how many miles you drove. Now, divide, and you have your miles per gallon for premium. Now, you can do a comparison with these two numbers. If you get 2 more miles to the gallon, you are better off financially in the long run and short run using premium, because you will save just a little bit of money. Not much, but remember, it'll still clean your engine. And if not, it will still clean your engine. Now that we've driven around this topic a little bit, let's go pull back into the gas station to top off our topic. As we choose regular or premium, we know that premium isn't going to give us any more power. It's just not going to explode early and hurt our engine. It also has more cleaners to keep our engine running smoother, faster, and for a little bit longer. So we can keep our miles per gallon and our engine for a lot longer. We know that in the long run, premium can be cheaper, depending on you and your driving style. And we can even do a simple test to tell us whether premium will give us more miles per gallon or not. So, I encourage you, next time you pull into the pump, think about getting premium. It just might give you some benefits and keep you running on the road just a little bit longer.